Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Arthur's point of view. Min Yoongi was the mafia king. He was known for his ruthlessness and cruelty. One day he was standing on the road and talking on the call. Suddenly, a little boy Cookie came to him and begged to save his mama's life, who met with an accident. Yoongi helped him and found he was none other than Park Jimin, who left him in wedding hall 3 years ago. He saved Jimin's life, gave him his blood, and bore the expenses of his surgery. When Jimin was in hospital, Yoongi brought Cookie at home and took care of him. Once Jimin recovered, they both calmly talked. Yoongi was still mad on Jimin. He asked him the reason of running away from his own wedding. Jimin told him that he loves Lee Hyajin and wanted to marry him, but his parents were against of their marriage, so he ran away from the wedding. He didn't want to spoil Yoongi's life. When Yoongi asked about Hyajin, Jimin told him that Hyajin never accepted him. He pushed him away by saying if he could humiliate his family, then he could do anything. He wasn't loyal and trustworthy. To become his husband, he told him to die. Jimin was walking on the road near the garbage bin. He found Cookie. He gave Cookie to child care center and they helped him by giving him shelter. After hearing this, Yoongi felt so bad for Jimin. He immediately offered Jimin his marriage proposal. He was ready to accept Jimin with Cookie, but Jimin respectfully denied because after falling and struggling, he realized his real worth and meaning of self respect. He didn't want Yoongi's sympathy and charity. He promised Yoongi to return his all the money slowly and left with Cookie. First time there were tears in Yoongi's eyes. He didn't love Jimin but wanted to help him. Let's see what happens next. Yoongi, waving his hands by looking at Jimin and Cookie's disappearing figure. From past 3 years, I hated this man. I hated him to ruin my family's image and humiliated them. But I forget every coin has two sides. I judged him after seeing just one side. I never tried to know his side of his story. In front of his pain, my pain was nothing. At night, a young boy without money, family, friend, without any support, any shelter, any source of living. How would he survive? And that too with a child. How much help would the child care center people have given him? He chose to live and fight back with his fate rather than ending his life. He's smiling today. He builds his own small world by his own. Yes, he made mistake, but never blamed it. He proudly accepted it without any regret. He chose to live with dignity over my sympathy. I never loved him. Then why these tears are flowing? Why my heart is aching to see him going? Do I want him? Time skipped after 6 months. 6 months passed. Yungi pushed the door of his room and fell on the bed like a lifeless body. He returned after 3 months. There was no one to welcome him. It's all dark here. No voice, no light, nothing. Like there wasn't anyone. Yungi's heartbeat and wall clock's tick tick sound were echoing in the room. Yungi, what life am I living? The Mafia King. Under me, thousands of people work, thousands of people follow my commands. All the time I want silence, and today this silence is eating me. There is no one who can welcome me, no one with whom I can share what I did whole day, no one with whom I can eat my food, no one who fights with me for coming late. Here is no one in this big house who can call my name. Here is no one whom I can call my family. I'm all alone. A message popped out in his mobile and he checked. Park Jimin chuckled. He never forgets to send money on this date. From past 6 months without any delay, he is sending me money. Threw mobile on the bed and closed his eyes. A sweet smile crept on his lips by remembering Cookie's moments with him. Whole world is scared of me, but that little boy Cookie called me cute. He might have forgotten me by now. Min Yoongi, you are meant to stay alone forever. Delivery boy, sir, how many times will you check the things? I brought everything which you ordered. Jimin, while checking the parcels. Shh, first let me check. Balloons? Looked here and there. Balloons aren't here. How can you forget the balloons? Wait, let me complain to your boss. You all became so lazy. Delivery boy, sir, I brought balloon. Look behind you. Your son is holding the packets of balloons. Jimin turned around and looked at Cookie, who was busy counting the balloons. Cookie, baby, what are you doing? Mama is searching the balloons. Cookie showed his tiny baby hand. Shh. Jimin, okay. Cookie, cute angry pout. Delivery uncle, you are trying to fool Mama, said by placing his both the hands on his waist. Delivery boy, no. Cookie, what no? You are cheating. Cookie is here. You can't fool Mama. Delivery boy, no, I didn't cheat you. Cookie showed him the packet of balloons. See? Delivery boy looked at the packet of balloons. What do I see in it? Sir ordered the packets of balloon and I brought. Jimin, wait a minute. Cookie, what happened, baby? Cookie looked at Jimin. Mama, uncle did big cheating. See, here are all the colors to two balloons, but only one yellow balloon. This uncle changed the color of yellow balloon to orange. Orange balloons are 3, but yellow is only 1. Jimin looked at delivery boy and gestured him to go. Oh, this much big cheating! Mama can never find out it. Cookie. Cookie is here to help Mama. Mama shouldn't worry. So delivery boy was running. Hey! Stop! Yelali running! Jimin picked Cookie in his arms. It's okay, baby. Let him go. I will complain to his boss. Now help Mama to bring everything inside. Cookie. Oti, but if next time that cheating uncle come, then Cookie won't leave him. Jimin. Of course. Jimin and Cookie took everything inside the house. Jimin went in neighbor's house and doorbell rang. Cookie went to open the door and got shocked to see the person. Cookie frustrated. Oh, whoa! Nobody is letting Cookie to do Cookie's work peacefully. Cookie should frustrated. Opened the door and got shocked. Cute uncle! Hugged Yoongi's leg. Yoongi picked Cookie in his arms. You still remember me? Cookie. Yes, Cookie remembered everything. Cookie's mama Tilly gives Cookie two almonds. Come inside. Yoongi dropped Cookie on his feet. Okay, came inside and found lots of garden boxes. Are you moving from here? Cookie. No. Give him balloon pump. Yoongi looked at balloon pump. What's this? What do I do with it? Cookie. Give him packet of balloons. Cute uncle, don't just stand. Patted the floor. Sit here and blow the balloons. Yoongi sat beside Cookie on the floor. Cookie, if you want balloons, then I will buy you. Cookie. Cookie doesn't want balloons. Cookie has so many balloons. Just blow fast. Cookie doesn't have time. Yoongi removed his coat and started blowing the balloons. By the way, Cookie, where is your mama? Cookie. Mama went to neighbor's aunt's house. There is a party, na? Yoongi. Oh, okay. Yoongi blew the balloons. Jimin entered in the house and got shocked to see the balloons. Jimin. Wow, Cookie, you blew this much balloons alone? Cookie. No, Mama, cute uncle helped Cookie. Jimin looked at Yoongi. Yoongi, you're here? What a pleasant surprise. Sorry, house is a little messy. Yoongi, it's alright. Jimin looked at Cookie. Cookie, can you go with Yang and check the arrangements? Mama will talk with him, Yoongi uncle. Cookie. Don't worry, Mama. Cookie will handle everything. Jimin gave Yoongi coffee. Yoongi, coffee. Yoongi took the mug. Thank you. Jimin. Now tell me what happened. Yoongi, I was passing by here, so thought to meet with Cookie. Jimin. Oh, Yoongi. By the way, these many parcels, balloons. Is today Cookie's birthday? Jimin. Oh, no. I'm running my small event planning agency from home. So all the parcels are from that. I'm arranging the party in neighbors. So those balloons were from them. Yoongi. Oh, I disturbed you. Sorry, you can go and check the arrangements. Jimin. No, everything is done. Only balloons were left. All thanks to you. That work is also done. Cookie will handle that. Yoongi. Cookie? Jimin. He loved to do inspection. By the way, you are looking tense. Is everything alright? Yoongi. Actually, Jimin, I came here to ask a favor. Jimin, fever. And from me, what can I do for you? I have nothing. Yungi, you know I'm a mafia. Whole life I want only silence. And Yungi, you know I'm a mafia. Whole life I want only silence. But now that loneliness is eating me. I know it sounds so cheap, but can I live with you? Don't worry, I will pay you. Jimin, I can understand your loneliness, Yungi. If Cookie isn't here, then maybe I would never move on. My house is so small, here is so no extra bed. Yungi, don't worry about me. I will adjust in living room if you are comfortable. Jimin, I don't have any problem. You can stay with us. I denied your marriage proposal, not you. We can still be good friends. Yungi, of course. Thank you so much. It started with friendship, but slowly turned into love. Yungi shifted in Jimin's small house was small, but he never felt it. Whenever he returned from his work, he always welcomed by Cookie's cheerful voice and Jimin's warm hug. Jimin didn't have any problem with relationship. He just wanted to be independent and didn't want to be a burden on anyone. Yoongi gave him that freedom. They both were lonely and broken, but together they were completed. Few months passed. Yunmin's friendship turned in family. They never confessed with each other but knew about their relationship. Cookie started calling Yoongi Dada. They all were very happy as family. Jimin, sorry ma'am, this can't be possible. Yunji, but why? See, I came to you with so much hope. Please don't deny. It's my son's second birthday party. My event manager is sick. He can't come. But his staff and all the decoration stuffs are in the venue. In this much short time, I don't get any event planner. Please. Jimin, I understand your problem, ma'am, but please try to understand me. I never handled this much big event ever. What if I do any mistake then? Yunji, I'm ready to pay double amount. Jimin, ma'am, it's not about money. Yungi came there. Jimin, I fix the lightings. Can looked at tense atmosphere. What happened? Is everything alright? Yunji, sir, please tell him to plan my son's second birthday party. All the invitations are already sent. Tomorrow evening is a party, but my event manager is sick. He is my last hope. Jimin, ma'am, he also can't do anything. Yungi, wait, what's the problem? Jimin, their party is high standard. I never managed any high class party. I don't have any experience. Yunji, I will recommend you in my friend circle. After this, you will get lots of offer. Jimin, but Yungi, she is right, Jimin. You should take her work. It will help you to expand your business. I will help you. Looked at Yunji. Ma'am, don't worry. We will arrange everything. Send all the details to Jimin. We will reach there tomorrow morning. Yunji, thank you so much. Time skipped at next day. Yunmin and Cookie reached at the venue. It was Hugh's palace. Jimin was so nervous. He was just looking at the palace and biting his lower lip. Yoongi grabbed Jimin's hand. Nervous? Jimin looked at Yoongi. It's so big, I can't. Yoongi, you will. This is the key of your success. Why are you afraid? You have your family. Looked at Cookie. Right, Cookie? Cookie looked at Yoongi like Tata, we will do it. Grabbed Jimin's pinky finger by his full hand. Mama, Cookie and Dada are with Mama. Let's go inside. They all came inside the palace and met with Yoonji, who was waiting for them. Jimin got shocked to see the person. Yoonji, thank you so much for coming. Meet him. He's my husband. Lee. Jimin, shocked. Hyajin. Hyajin, shocked. Jimin. Yoongi looked at Jimin. Jimin, is he? Jimin looked at him and slowly nodded his head. Yoonji, have you two met before? Yoonjin, we were in same college. Yoonji, that's great. Now Jimin, you have to work like home. Yoongi, of course we will. Don't worry. Yoonji and Hyojin left. Yoongi turned to Jimin, who was standing like a statue. His past again came in front of him. Cookie, Mama, Cookie is going to check the palace. Left. Yoongi grabbed Jimin's shoulder and turned him to himself. Jimin, what happened? Jimin, it's Hyajin's son's birthday party. I can't do this. Yoongi, why can't you? He is just your client. You already moved on. Do you want him to show that you are weak? You aren't weak. You got this opportunity to show Hyajin that you moved on. Jimin, whom I know, is very strong. He fought with whole world. No, you can't accept defeat in front of Hyajin. You are my Jimin. Cookie's mama. See, Cookie already started his work. Now it's our time. Jimin, you are right. He is only my client, nothing else. Let's go. Jimin was professionally handling the work. He was instructing the staff. Yoongi was feeding Jimin and Cookie their food, who weren't ready to take break. Hyajin was looking at Yunmin and regretting. Hyajin, I left Jimin for Yoonji. By marrying Yoonji, I got money and power. But the love which is in between Yunmin, I never get. Here, Yoongi, being a mafia king, helping Jimin in his work, and here is my wife, who never gets time for me. I kicked the true love for money. Time skipped after some times. All the guests arrived. Party was going on. Everyone was so impressed by Jimin's work. Right now, Yunmin were dancing and Cookie was recording them in Jimin's mobile. Yoongi, while dancing, congratulations, you successfully arranged the party. Jimin, without you and Cookie, it can never be possible. Thank you. Yoongi, so what do you think? Jimin, about what? Yoongi, for making me your permanent partner. You already saw my work. It's okay if you think it's a sympathy. Jimin, I'm ready. Let's get married tomorrow. Yoongi, tomorrow? Jimin, tomorrow we will go to marriage registrar's office and get married. Yoongi, nah, I want a grand wedding. Time skipped at next day. Yoongi took Jimin and Cookie in hotel's private room to meet with someone. Cookie was so excited to hear the news of Yunmin's wedding. Jimin, Yoongi, where did you bring me? Yoongi, open the door. Come inside first. Jimin came inside and got shocked. Mom, Dad, Uncle, Aunt. Yoongi brought Jimin to meet him with their parents. Without them, how could they marry? He already told them the truth and convinced them for their marriage. Yoongi placed his hand on Jimin's shoulder. Yes, our parents. Without their blessings, how can we start our married life? Go and meet with them. Jimin kneeled down on the floor and bowed. I'm sorry, because of me you have to suffer a lot. Mrs. Park, this much happened with you and you didn't bother to come to us. Jimin, by which face I come? I humiliated everyone. Mr. Park, you are our son. Yes, we were mad but didn't hate you. We tried a lot to find you, but you were nowhere to find. Jimin looked at Yoongi's parents. Uncle, Aunt, I'm sorry. Mrs. Min, no need to say sorry, son. Yoongi already told us everything. It wasn't your fault. Mr. Min, and we already forget that. You also forget. We don't have any problem with you. Cookie, will you accept Cookie too? Cookie doesn't know you. Mrs. Park, of course we will. I'm your grandma. Mr. Park, I'm your grandpa. Mrs. Min, I'm your halmoni. Mr. Min, and I'm your halapuji. Cookie, wow! Cookie has this much big family. Mrs. Min, welcome in family, Cookie. Both Hyunmin's parents forgave Jimin and hugged him. Jimin was so happy to get back his parents. Their parents fixed the date of their grand wedding. Time skipped at wedding day. Today was Hyunmin's wedding day. Yoongi chose the same venue and decoration which was at their first wedding. The only difference was at that time Jimin ran away from the wedding and today Jimin walked from SL to become Min Jimin from Park. Cookie was the special guest. He brought their wedding rings and they both exchanged it. Yoongi looked at Jimin's eyes. Finally mine. Jimin looked at Yoongi's eyes. Forever yours. Cookie shouted, now Mama Dada kissy fast, said by covering his eyes by his both hands. Yunmin smiled to see Cookie's cute reaction and kissed each other. Everyone started clapping and cheering for them. No matter how broken the past, love built the trust and respect can heal even the deepest wounds. Dignity and kindness can turn strangers into partners and partners into a home. Sometimes the smallest hands and purest hearts teach us the true meaning of belonging. It's okay to make mistakes, they are the part of the life. Try to learn from them and move forward with the lesson. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. If you haven't watched the main video, then link is in pinned comment. Watch it. For me, ending of part 1 was perfect. This part is only for you. Now, are you satisfied by Yunmin as couple and Cookie as their son? For me, living alone with dignity is better than living on someone's sympathy and charity. In part 1, Yoongi didn't love Jimin. How could he be when Jimin was the reason of his family's humiliation? He wanted to marry Jimin just for sympathy. He was feeling pity on him. But in part 2, he genuinely loved him and married in both the family's presence. He started his married life where Jimin left him alone. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.